So this is OMT for short. This is 1 minute transformation cream. It is incredible. This is going to instantly transform the texture of your hair in 1 minute. We call it 1 minute because that's how quick it is. So again, it's packed with omega-3 and avocado oils, and that's the added ingredient inside. What's basically going to do, we're going to do all the magic. It absolutely melts on contact with the skin. So because of the salts in my hand, it completely disappears. So again, it's weightless. It's not going to be, there's not going to be a build-up, there's not going to be a heaviness, and you will see this completely melt away, this frizz, and it's just going to really transform the texture of a hair and make it look super shiny, healthy, hydrated, and just like as though she's had a fresh blowout again. You can leave this in the hair on dry hair, but if you did want to add more intense light locking in the product, then please feel free to dry it in as well. So all I've done is basically dry that in, put that in the hair, and I'm just going to brush it through over the top. It's just going to feel incredible. It's just going to de-puff and de-frizz all that hair.
I feel like we all need one of those in our bags. You know, when we're just having a rough day and you need
yeah, that's a great thing because it is like bag-friendly size. It's great just to take it on the go. This is once the product's been applied, as you can see, and then this is your before. So yeah, it looks great, but yeah, it's still quite puffy and it's got all that sort of texture in the hair. But when you look at it side by side, front on, look at the difference. All I've done is basically run it through from mid-lengths to ends, making sure I've used it on all that hair, basically root to tip, and you can see how different it's made the hair look and